Friends, and welcome in our next video. And in this video we are going to do our poem The Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost. Okay, so what the poet is trying to say in this poem, I am going to tell it through this picture. What is the summary of this poem? Just listen to it first. I am explaining the summary, and after that I will explain the whole poem. Okay, so first try to understand from here what the poet is saying. One day the poet was going through a forest, and suddenly he came to a junction. Suppose that this one is poet. He came to a junction. Junction means place. He came to a place. Just after that there was a diversion in the road. Means the road was bisecting into two directions. Okay, this is the diversion of the road. So he was in a very puzzled situation, and he was thinking very deeply that which road should I take from here. So he was not able to give his thoughts very well, and he was not in a position that he can see which road was taken by other people's frequently, because it was a forest, and the whole forest was at that time with the yellow leaves. The roads were full of yellow leaves, the roads were grassy also. So he took a deep thought there for some time, and after that he decided to choose one way or one road, and he thought that he might come in future on the other road, but he knows very well that the time will not come in his life that he will come to travel on the other road, but he decided that the road which was not trodden much, the road which was not traveled by the people too much, he decided to choose that road. Okay, so because the condition of the roads, the condition of both the roads were same. Both roads were grassy, and the both roads were full of yellow leaves. So he decided that I will choose the road which was less traveled by the travelers, by the people. So he decided to choose one road, and after that, after ages, he might think that if he had chosen the other road, maybe his life would be different. He thought that if I had chosen that other road on such a time, on that time, maybe my life would be different from the today's condition. So this is the summary of the poem. Now, what is the central idea of the poem? What the poet tried to say here, that each and every person finds in his life a situation where he find himself stood or stand in a junction from where he had to take one way, and what the way he is choosing, what the way he is choosing can make his life, and the other is maybe his decision can be wrong. So he find himself in a very awkward situation, and in this awkward situation it is very important for a person to choose the correct way, and if you are choosing the correct way, your life can be a very beautiful. But if you are choosing the way which is not correct for you, suppose that you are taking a decision in your life which is not good for you, and it will be very worse for you in your future. Then after ages, you might thought that if I had chosen that other way, so maybe my life can be different. So same thing the poet is trying to say here. Okay, so now let's start the poem, The Road Not Taken. Here, what is the meaning of this road? The road not taken. The road means, here road means the way, not taken, जो नहीं लिया गया. Means here the poet is saying that the road which I had not taken at that time when there was a diversion in front of me. Means यहाँ पर कवि क्या कहता है? कवि कहता है कि वो रास्ता, मीन्स वो डिसीजन जो मैंने उस वक्त लिया था, और मैंने दो मेरे सामने रास्ते थे और एक मैंने छोड़ दिया, तो वो रास्ता जो मैंने छोड़ दिया, what would be the impact of that road or that decision in my life? कि क्या होता उसका इम्पैक्ट मेरे जीवन में, उसी को लेकर के ये कह रहा है द रोड नॉट टेकन. ओके, सो हियर two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Wood means forest. Wood means forest, a small forest. Okay, so the poet is going through a forest and he found himself in front of a junction, or he found himself at a place कि in front of him there are two ways, कि उसके सामने क्या है, दो रास्ते हैं. तो द रोड्स डाइवर्स्ड इन ए येलो वुड, कि ही वाज गोइंग ahead and he found himself in a place that in a wood, in a forest, the road was diverging means bisecting, dividing into two ways in a yellow wood. Yellow means at that time the leaves were yellow. क्या मतलब इसका? द रोड्स डाइवर्स्ड इन ए येलो वुड, कि जब वो जा रहा था जंगल के अंदर से होकर के, तो अचानक ही उसके सामने एक ऐसा जंक्शन, एक ऐसा प्लेस आया. व्हेन ही वाज गोइंग थ्रू ए फॉरेस्ट, सडनली अ प्लेस, ए जंक्शन केम इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम दैट द रोड वर डाइवर्जिंग इन टू डायरेक्शंस, कि जो रोड है वो दो डायरेक्शंस में क्या हो रही थी, बंट रही थी. एंड सॉरी आई कुड नॉट ट्रेवल बोथ. And I was very sorry. Sorry means दुखी होना, कि I was so sorry that I could not travel both. Naturally, a person cannot travel on both the roads. He had to choose one. उसको एक चूज करना ही पड़ता था. He has to choose one road from both of them. So here he is very sorry. He found himself in a sad situation and he is very sad to tell that he couldn't travel both. वो दोनों ही रास्तों को जो है वो क्या है, वो ट्रेवल नहीं कर सकता था. He can't travel on both the roads and be one traveler. Long I stood. So as a traveler, I was standing there for a long time to take a decision that which road should I choose. कि एक ट्रैवलर होने के नाते मैं वहां पर खड़ा रहा काफी देर तक कि कौन सी रोड जो है वो मुझे चुननी चाहिए. एंड लुक डाउन वन एज फार एज आई कुड, एंड आई वॉज लुकिंग डाउन ऑन द रोड एज फार एज आई कुड, कि फ्रॉम हियर आई वॉज लुकिंग एट द एंड ऑफ द रोड एज फार एज आई कैन सी. मैं यहां से खड़ा हुआ देख रहा था उस सड़क के अंत तक, जहां तक मैं देख सकता था कि भी कौन सा रास्ता मेरे लिए सही है. विच रोड इज बेटर फॉर मी. I was standing there for a while and I was seeing that road as far as I can say, and I was deciding to choose the better road for me. To where it bent in the undergrowth. Undergrowth means under the trees. कि I was looking till at the end of the road where the road is taking bend, कि जहां पर सड़क जो है वो क्या कर रही थी, बैंड ले रही थी, वहां तक मैं उसे देखता रहा. Okay, I think you have understood the first stanza. I am repeating it again. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. When I was going through a forest, I was in a place, in a junction from where the roads was bisecting. The roads was taking two directions, and I was very sad at that time that I couldn't travel on both the road. So to choose the correct path, to choose the correct decision, to take the correct decision, to be one traveler. So as a good traveler, long I stood there for a long time to take a decision that which road is better for me, means which decision is better for me to take which direction. And looked down one as far as I could. And after standing here, I was looking at the end of the road and taking a decision and deciding that which road is better for me. And looked down one as far as I could, कि मैं देखता रहा उस सड़क के ऊपर उतनी दूर तक जहां तक मैं देख सकता था. To where it bent means taking turn, कि जहां पर वो सड़क टर्न ले रही थी, in the undergrowth means under the trees in the forest, I was looking till there. मैं वहां तक देख रहा था. Clear? Now next stanza. Then took the other just as fair, and after that I took a decision, and I took the other road, means one direction from both of them. Okay, one road from both of them. I took one road. Okay, just as fair. As fair means with a good decision. I thought that this road is better for me, so I decided to choose the first one, and I left the other road for some other time. And having perhaps the better claim, and I claimed that my decision is better. कि मैंने क्या किया? Then took the other just as fair, कि मैंने बहुत ही सही decision के. Fair means taking a good decision. Just taking a good decision, I took the other road, and I left the other one for some next time. And having perhaps the better claim, and I was claiming, I was stick on my decision, I was firm on my decision that the decision which I had taken is good for me. तो इसीलिए यहाँ पर वो क्या कहता है, दैट्स वाई द पोएट इज सेइंग हियर, एंड हैविंग परहैप्स द बेटर क्लेम. सो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो रोड जो है वो ज़्यादा बढ़िया दावा कर रही है. क्यों कर रही है ऐसा? वाई द रोड वॉज क्लेमिंग बेटर दैट यू शुड चूज दिस वन, नॉट दिस वन, बिकॉज इट वॉज ग्रासी एंड वॉन्टेड वियर. बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम both the roads were grassy, but the road which I had taken was much grassy and wanted wear. Wanted wear means had not been used. Why I decided to take this one road? Because it was grassy, the road was grassy and wanted wear, means no one had traveled on that road much, means the road had not been used so much. That's why I decided to take this road. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. कि though हालांकि, as for that the passing there means the people who had passed from there on that road, few people had passed from that road, so had warned them really about the same. So that's why they warned them this road at the same as I have warned them. Means कि यहाँ पर कवि क्या कहता है कि वो भी यहाँ से ऐसे ही गुजरे हैं जैसे अभी मैं गुजरूंगा, और बहुत ज़्यादा उन्होंने ट्रेवल नहीं किया है. नॉट मच ट्रेवल हैड पास्ड फ्रॉम दैट रोड, दैट्स वाई द रोड इज़ नॉट सो मच वोन, यानी कि जो सड़क है वो बहुत ज़्यादा घिसी हुई नहीं है, उसमें ज़्यादा जो पैरों के निशान नहीं है, देयर वॉज नॉट मच फुटमार्क ऑन दैट रोड. क्लियर? सो टुडे we have done 2 stanzas of this poem. Okay, so in our next video we will do the next 2 stanzas, and after that we will complete this video or this poem. So I think you have understood it very well, and as you will listen to this video or watch this video, I will provide you summary of this poem before this poem in a PDF format. So read that summary first, and after that listen to this video. Okay, and if there is any problem, then you can send me your queries. Thank you.